you limited on storage space in your RV? I am too. I have this really nice big closet and I was able to put these drawers in here, but I was tired of going in and out for little things. So I grabbed the 2-pack of these little pockets, mesh pockets. And my intention was to hang it over the closet door, but for some reason the little hooks don't work well over the closet door, but they work really well on a hanger. So I use this actually to hold all my underwear and socks and bras and sports bras for when I go camping for a week at a time. And everything fits in there and it stays organized and it's super easy to get to. I don't know where the other one is right now, but you can also attach it to the door, or you could use it to store shoes in the RV. Because it's so small, it's perfect for everywhere. I've even hung it over the shower curtain to hold stuff here in the bathroom. But I really like this and I think you will too. Thanks for watching.